This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Harnett County Sheriff's Office is searching for a Rayilee Ariyah Rose Coleman. Rayilee is a 2-year-old black female, approximately 2 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 30 pounds. She has black hair, brown eyes. Rayilee was last seen wearing a yellow dress with butterflies and flowers, blue tights, and black and white Hey Dude sneakers. Rayilee has a mole in her right armpit. The abductor, a Dyatsy Oneal Coleman, is described as a 37-year-old black male, approximately 6 feet 1 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Dyatsy was last seen wearing a black long-sleeve thermal, blue jeans, black, white, and red FILA sneakers, and a blue zip-up coat. Dyatsy has a scar on his left or right thumb. Both were last seen traveling possibly to Newton Grove, Faison, or Clinton from an address in Dunn, North Carolina, and a champagne-colored 2009 Nissan Murano with blacked-out rims and tires. North Carolina registered.